Good afternoon, everybody. Can you hear my voice?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to start a new bit, that is important bit, Kirchhoff laws.
हेलो मैडम,
Hmm.
1 मिनट रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करो.
काय?
रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करा 1 मिनिट.
Recording?
बंद करा 1 मिनिट.
का हो?
करा.
Okay, tell your friends to join fast. Girls, you can tell your friends. Boys, you can tell your friends to join fast. Because today I am going to take the important bit, that is Kirchhoff laws. So I'll give you 2 minutes. You can tell your message your friends to join fast. I have given the message on Telegram group. Okay, I will start the lecture because it is 2:36. So an important bit we are going to take, that laws, it is nothing but Kirchhoff laws. Okay, you have studied this Kirchhoff law in 11th and 12th. We will revise it in detail. So Kirchhoff laws, there are two laws. Whatever the electric circuit, we have seen series, parallel, open circuit, short circuit, and we are going to find out the total equivalent resistance by using the series and parallel combination. You can find out the voltage, current using series parallel combination. But Kirchhoff laws is the another method by which you can find out the these values, that is the current or the voltage, total voltage or the current through the circuit by using these two laws. What is the value of an current which is flowing through the circuit, total current, as well as the total voltage which is applied to the circuit. So what you are going to see, there are two laws that you are going to see. The first law we will see, that is nothing but the Kirchhoff current law. So Kirchhoff current law is the first law, and the second law, it is nothing but, it is called as Kirchhoff current law, and the second is Kirchhoff voltage law. Okay, the second B part, it is nothing but Kirchhoff voltage law. Kirchhoff voltage law. Okay, voltage I have written here. Short form I have written VTG. You can write voltage law. So first we are going to discuss the Kirchhoff current law. So we will discuss the first point. Now whenever they will ask you the question of Kirchhoff current law, Kirchhoff voltage law, many times Kirchhoff voltage law they have asked, or explain Kirchhoff law in detail. If now your exam it is online or offline, whether we don't know, but still if it will be offline, then they can ask this question for 6 marks. Explain the Kirchhoff law in detail with sign convention. So there are two laws, Kirchhoff current law and Kirchhoff voltage law. In that, first we are going to see the Kirchhoff current law. Now how you are going to, in Kirchhoff current law, how you are going to explain each and every step that I am going to tell you. First of all, in the Kirchhoff law, the first point that you are going to explain, that is nothing but the statement. Okay, the statement. The second in this point is nothing but the formula. What is the formula for that? Or what is the expression? Okay, now statement and formula. The formula, you know, it is nothing but summation of I, it is equal to 0. This is the formula. Summation of I, it is equal to 0. According to this formula, you are going to write down the statement. So what is that? In an electric circuit, before going for the statement, whenever you start the statement, you are going to use in an electric circuit. In an electric circuit, the algebraic sum of all the current, not only I, but all the current meeting at a junction, algebraic sum of all the current meeting at a junction, it is equal to what? 0. लक्षात आलं का statement? What is that? In an electric circuit, algebraic, this is the sign of algebraic sum of what? All the current, capital I it is there. So all the current meeting at a junction, it is equal to 0. Clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the formula. Depending upon the formula, you are going to write down the statement, or otherwise you can write down the first statement. After the formula, what the third is? Third is nothing but the sign convention. And you know, all of you, what is that sign conventions? What is the sign convention first? First sign convention काय आहे? Current coming toward the junction, it is taken as
Positive.
positive. Okay, so current coming towards the junction, taken as, is taken as positive. Okay. Next, B point. What is your B point? म्हणजे जे करंट आहे का नाही जंक्शनच्या जवळ येत आहेत त्यांना काय म्हणतो आपण? That is nothing but they are positive, and they are those current which are coming out of the junction or moving away from the junction. Current moving away from the junction. Is taken as negative. Yes. Is taken as negative. Okay, this we have written. So the current coming toward the junction is taken as positive. Current moving away from the junction, it is taken as negative. These are the two sign conventions we are going to use for the Kirchhoff current law. And the fourth point, we are going to take the example. So you can take the point O. Suppose I take the point O. Now O, this is nothing but it is called as a junction. So junction is nothing but more than two branches meeting at a single point. It can be more than two branches. Suppose this is my first branch, this is the second branch, this is the third branch, this is the fourth branch, and this is the fifth branch. So point O is nothing but it is called as the junction, because how many branches are there? First, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 branches which are meeting at a single point, that is nothing but O. So now, suppose for the first branch, the current is I1, which is coming toward the point O. Okay, arrow I am showing, it is going inward towards O. Next is the current I2, which is going away from the junction. The third is the current I3, which is coming toward the junction. I4 going away, and I5, it is coming toward the junction. Now this is nothing but your current, which are, I have shown the direction how they are moving. Now you are going to apply what? The KCL for this above diagram. So you apply KCL. So what is the KCL formula? Summation of I, it is equal to 0. So when you apply the KCL, summation of I, it is equal to 0. What is this summation of I? You are going to take what? That is algebraic sum of all the currents. This algebraic sum means you are going to take the sign convention. So I1 is positive or negative?
Positive.
So plus I1. Okay. I2 is minus because it is going up. Plus I3. I4 is minus plus I5. How many branches are there? 5 branches. It is equal to 0. Now whatever the positive are there, keep as it is, and whatever the negative are there, go to the right side. So it will be I1 plus I3 plus I5. It is equal to I2 plus I4. Okay, you got this. Now after getting this, what you can write? Equal to sign च्या अलीकडे काय आहेत हे सगळे? That is nothing but, these are nothing but it is called as what? You are going to take the sum. Addition घेताय तुम्ही. Sum of which current? Incoming current. So sum of incoming current, it is equal to sum of outgoing current. Okay. So sum of incoming current, it is equal to sum of outgoing current. So this is the equation. This is also called as the case. In an electric circuit, the sum of incoming current, it is equal to sum of outgoing current. So by using this formula also, you can find out the, that is by using this equation also, you can find out, you can apply the KCL. That is also sum of incoming current, it is equal to sum of outgoing current. This is the definition of KCL. This is the second definition, you can say. The first definition is algebraic sum of all the current meeting at a junction, it is equal to 0. Clear with this? लक्षात आलेलं आहे का सगळ्यांचं?
Yes, ma'am.
KCL मध्ये? Okay. So write down the KCL.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down the heading Kirchhoff law. I will dictate it. Kirchhoff law. Kirchhoff law. There are two types. There are two types. First, Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law in bracket KCL, capital KCL. KCL bracket closed. And second, Kirchhoff voltage law. Kirchhoff voltage law in bracket capital KVL. K stands for Kirchhoff, V stands for voltage, and law stands for L. L stands for law. Now the first you can write A part Kirchhoff current law. A part Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law. Write down the first part in that statement. Write down the first part in that statement. Write down in an electric circuit. In an electric circuit, the algebraic sum of all the current meeting at a junction, it is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. Full stop. It is equal to 0. Full stop. Now the second point is formula. The second point is formula. Write down the formula or expression, you can write. Expression किंवा formula. Summation of I, it is equal to 0 and highlight it by rectangular box. Next, third part. Sign convention. Sign convention. Sign convention. त्यामध्ये दोन आहेत. A part मध्ये लिहा. Current coming toward the junction. Current coming toward the junction. Current coming toward the junction is taken as positive. Is taken as positive. And B part मध्ये लिहा. Current moving away from the junction. Current moving away from the junction. Current moving away from the junction is taken as negative. Is taken as negative. Is taken as negative. Now the fourth point, you can write down example. Example. And draw this diagram. Show the arrow where it is actual the current, incoming or outgoing. I1 is incoming, I2 is outgoing, I3 is incoming, I4 is outgoing, and I5 is incoming. Finish with the diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now write. Apply KCL to the above diagram. Apply KCL to the above diagram. That is summation of I it is equal to 0. Summation of I it is equal to 0. Next line you can write down. Take summation now. Plus I1 minus I2 plus I3 minus I4 plus I5. It is equal to 0. Next line. I1 plus I3 plus I5. I1 plus I3 plus I5. It is equal to I2 plus I4. I2 plus I4. Now you can write afterwards. From the above equation, we can say sum of incoming current in an electric circuit, sum of incoming current in an electric circuit, it is equal to sum of outgoing current, sum of outgoing current. लक्षात आलं ना हे सगळं? हो का नाही?
हो.
Okay. Now we will go for what? Kirchhoff voltage law. So we will start with the Kirchhoff voltage law. And this Kirchhoff current law, you can write in the bracket Kirchhoff current law. It is also called, where you have written Kirchhoff current law, it is also called as the junction law. It is also called as, bracket मध्ये लिहा junction law. Junction law. इथं जेव्हा तुम्ही लिहिलं आहे Kirchhoff current law, ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहा junction law. Junction law. कारण की ते ऍप्लिकेबल कुणाला आहे? O पॉइंट. आणि O पॉइंट म्हणजेच काय ऍक्ट होतो आहे? जंक्शन. More than two branches meeting at a point. So it is called as a junction law. Next is Kirchhoff B part. Kirchhoff voltage law. Next is Kirchhoff voltage law. Kirchhoff voltage law. What is the Kirchhoff voltage law? What is its equation? What are its equation that we are going to see? What is the equation? Formula काय आहे Kirchhoff current law साठी? Statement आपण बघणार आहोत. Formula बघूया. What is that? Summation of
EMF plus summation of V equal to 0.
Summation of EMF plus summation of V लिहू शकता किंवा summation of IR drop. It is equal to 0. So this is your IR is nothing but V only. V is nothing but IR. So summation of EMF plus summation of IR, it is equal to 0. How you are going to now write the statement? आपण statement कसं लिहिणार आहे या फॉर्म्युला वरून? So before starting with the statement, in an closed loop. So Kirchhoff voltage law, it is also called as what? Loop law. कारण की हे क्लोज सर्किटला ऍप्लिकेबल आहे. क्लोज लूपला ऍप्लिकेबल. क्लोज सर्किट म्हणजे काय? क्लोज लूप. आणि लूपलाच आपण काय म्हणू शकतो? एक जाळं आहे ते. ओके, ज्यामध्ये करंट फ्लो होतो आहे. आणि जाळ्याला इंग्लिश मध्ये काय म्हणतात? दॅट इज नथिंग बट मेश. MESH. MESH. So it is also called as the loop law or mesh law. It is also called as the loop law or mesh law. Okay. So what is the statement now? Formula you know. So in a closed circuit, closed लक्षात द्या. In a closed circuit, the algebraic sum of all the EMF, जसं तुम्ही all the current म्हणता आहात, नुसते EMF म्हणू नका. काय आहे? All the EMF plus algebraic sum of all the IR drop, it is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. summation of all the in and closed loop, summation of all the EMF plus summation of all the IR drop. आणि IR drop कुठे होते? Across the resistor, across each resistor. जेव्हा करंट फ्लो होतो रेजिस्टर मधनं, करंट इनटू रेजिस्टर प्रोडक्ट, that is nothing but your IR drop. So summation of all the IR drop across each resistor, it is equal to 0. लक्षात आलेलं आहे का? What is the statement? Can anyone tell me? Anyone from girls, boys?
Summation of all EMF plus summation of all air drop current drops is equal to 0.
Okay. In and closed circuit. In and closed circuit, summation of all the EMF plus summation of all the IR drop across each resistor, it is equal to 0. Clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is the formula, and from this formula you are going to write down the statement. So it will be helpful for you to write down the statement. Formula part असेल तर तुम्हाला statement लिहिता येणार आहे. आता sign conventions काय आहेत? What will be the sign conventions? As the KCL, summation of I, it is equal to 0, and for the current there was two sign convention. Similarly, now here the two, what are there? The two parts are there. The first part is EMF and the second part is IR drop. So for each EMF, that is for this part, A part, that is first part, there are two sign convention, and for the IR drop there are two sign convention. So total there will be 4 sign convention in Kirchhoff voltage law. That is 2 for EMF and 2 for IR drop. So we will discuss first 2 sign convention for EMF. EMF means what? Electromotive force. That is nothing but the battery which is connected in the circuit. Battery किती voltage असेल, 10 volt असेल, 5 volt असेल, 120 volt असेल, जे काय battery provide करते है voltage, that is nothing but it is an electromotive force, okay, which is given to the circuit. So that electromotive force, whether you are going to take it positive or negative, that sign conventions you are going to see. So how you are going to take positive or how you are going to take it as negative, ते आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. So suppose, so sign convention, the A part sign convention I will write. A part is nothing but for what? EMF. A part is nothing but for EMF, that is electromotive force. Okay. So for EMF, I will draw the battery now. Positive, negative. And this is between A and B point. Between A and B point. I am going from what point? A to B. When I go to the closed circuit, किंवा लूप मध्ये मी जेव्हा जाते आहे, एंटर करते आहे, तेव्हा मी कसं जाते आहे? ए कडून बी कडून, बी कडे सी कडे, सी कडून डी कडे. जर त्या सर्किटचं नाव दिलं असेल ABCD, ओके, लूपला नाव दिलेलं आहे ABCD, मग मी कसं जाणार आहे? ए कडून बी कडे, बी कडून सी कडे, सी कडून डी कडे, असं जाणार आहे. मग जेव्हा समजा ए आणि बी ला बॅटरी कनेक्ट असेल आणि मी कसे ट्रेस करते लूप? फ्रॉम ए टू बी. मी ट्रेस करते, कशी करते आहे? हाऊ आय एम ट्रेसिंग द लूप? I am tracing the loop from what? A to B. When I go from A to B, what is happening? The polarity across that battery changes from positive to negative. Positive is nothing but high potential and negative is nothing but low potential. That is, we are going from a high potential to a low potential. आपण high potential कडून low potential कडे जातोय. There is what? Fall in the potential. Whenever there is a fall in the potential, or the last sign is what? When you go from positive to negative, the last sign is what? Negative. So that EMF, त्या बॅटरीचा व्होल्टेज त्यावेळेस आपण काय घ्यायचं आहे? That is nothing but you are going to take. There is a fall in the potential. Last sign is negative. So that EMF, that is capital E or capital V. Capital E or capital V किती पण असेल, 10 volt असेल, 2 volt असेल, ते तुम्ही काय घ्यायचं आहे? मायनस घ्यायचं आहे. Okay, EMF which is indicated by capital E or capital V, voltage. That E or V, it will be denoted by what? Minus sign. लक्षात आलेलं आहे का हे? जेव्हा मी A आणि B मध्ये बॅटरी आहे आणि मी A कडून B कडे जाते आहे, तेव्हा polarity across the battery changes from what? Positive to negative. And the last sign is what? Negative. There is a fall in the potential, high potential to low potential. There is a fall in the potential So that EMF you are going to take it as what? Negative. लक्षात आलेलं आहे का? Okay? Yes or no? हो का नाही?
Yes.
ओके, आता हे सेकंड ए पार्टचा फिगर अशी आहे. आता सेकंड कशी आहे फिगर मी तुम्हाला सांगते आहे. सो आता बॅटरी माझी पोलॅरिटी बॅटरी कशी कनेक्ट केलेली आहे? निगेटिव्ह आणि पॉझिटिव्ह ए आणि बी मध्येच कनेक्ट केलेली आहे. ओके, कुठल्या तरी सर्किट डायग्राम मध्ये ए आणि बी मध्येच असणार आहे. तर पहिली जी लहान प्लेट आहे ती आता पहिली आहे निगेटिव्ह आणि जी मोठी प्लेट आहे ती आता पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, दुसरीकडे आहे. ओके, आणि ट्रेसिंग माझं सेमच आहे. ट्रेसिंग मी कशी करते आहे? आय एम ट्रेसिंग फ्रॉम ए टू बी. आय एम ट्रेसिंग फ्रॉम ए टू बी ओनली. बट वेन आय ट्रेस फ्रॉम ए टू बी दॅट टाइम पोलॅरिटी ऑफ दॅट बॅटरी, सर्किट मधली जी काय पोलॅरिटी असेल ती बॅटरीची ती कशी चेंज होते आहे? निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह चेंज होते आहे. Negative means low potential and positive means high potential. Negative to positive it is going. That is there is a rise in potential. तुम्ही low कडून high potential ला जाताय. त्यामुळे there is a rise in potential. The last sign is positive and therefore that EMF you are going to take it as what? Positive E. That EMF you are going to take it as what? Positive E. दिसते का तुम्हाला? Positive दिसते ना? Positive E. Okay, clear with this? हे झालं EMF कशासाठी आहे? साइन कन्व्हेन्शन ओनली फॉर वन पार्ट, दॅट इज EMF. तिथे दोन साइन कन्व्हेन्शन्स आहे. अशी जर बॅटरी कनेक्ट केलेली असेल पॉझिटिव्ह टू निगेटिव्ह तुम्ही जात आहात तेव्हा लास्ट साइन काय येते? निगेटिव्ह. त्यामुळे हे बॅटरीचं व्होल्टेज -E आहे. आणि जेव्हा अशी कनेक्ट असेल निगेटिव्ह पहिला आणि पॉझिटिव्ह आणि तुम्ही ट्रेसिंग करताय ए कडून बी कडे तेव्हा ते पोलॅरिटी कशी चेंज होते? निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह, rise in potential. Therefore that EMF you are going to take it is at what? Positive. Okay with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, आता जे सेकंड आहे फॉर EMF झालेला आता आहे आणि आता जो दुसरा पार्ट आहे बी पार्ट तो कशासाठी आहे? दॅट इज फॉर IR ड्रॉप. That is for IR drop. Now for IR drop, what you are going to draw? The first figure is IR drop साठी. IR drop कधी होणार आहे? जेव्हा रेजिस्टर असणार आहे आणि त्या रेजिस्टर मधनं करंट फ्लो होणार आहे. ओके, रेजिस्टर मधनं करंट फ्लो होतो, लक्षात घ्या. When the current flows through the resistor, suppose again the same point A and B. A आणि B मध्ये रेजिस्टर कनेक्ट केलेला आहे आणि करंट कसा जातो आहे? A कडून B कडे जातो आहे. आणि ट्रेसिंग पण माझं कसं आहे? मी जेव्हा लूप ट्रेस करते आहे तेव्हा पण मी कशी जाते आहे? ट्रेसिंग ए आणि बी कडूनच जाते. लक्षात घ्या. व्हॉट इज माय ट्रेसिंग? ट्रेसिंग इज ऑल्सो इन द सेम डायरेक्शन ऍज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. करंटच्या डायरेक्शननीच मी ट्रेस करते आहे. असं जर असेल आणि ए आणि बी मध्ये रेजिस्टर कनेक्ट केलेला असेल सो यू नो द करंट ऑलवेज फ्लोज फ्रॉम व्हॉट? हाय पोटेन्शियल टू लो पोटेन्शियल. Current always flows from high potential to low potential. The resistor is not having the polarity, but when the current flows through the resistor will attain its polarity. Resistor ला स्वतः polarity नाहीये. करंट जेव्हा त्यातनं फ्लो होतो तेव्हा काय होतो आहे? The resistor will have the polarity. As the current flows from high potential to low potential, therefore where you are getting positive you will get at what terminal? That is nothing but the first terminal, A terminal. And negative will get at which terminal? That is the second terminal, that is B terminal. Now resistor will attain what? The positive and negative polarity. Positive towards A and negative towards B because current flows from high potential to low potential. When you are going to trace A to B, that time that is the same direction of current. That time the change in the polarity it is nothing but from positive to negative. High potential to low potential. There is a fall in the potential. The last sign is what? Negative. As the last sign is negative or there is a fall in the potential, therefore that IR drop, त्यावेळेस IR drop तुमचा कशा असणार आहे? निगेटिव्ह असणार आहे. IR drop what you are going to I into R. I म्हणजे करंट दिलेला असणार आहे 3 एम्पियर. रेजिस्टरची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली असणार आहे 1 ओहम किंवा 2 ओहम. 2 into current, that is suppose the current is 2. 2 into 2, that is 2 into the current value 2. 4. मग तुमचा IR ड्रॉप किती आलेला आहे? -4. जर रेजिस्टरची व्हॅल्यू 2 असेल, करंटची व्हॅल्यू 2 आले, तर 2 into 2 will be what? IR drop, that will be -4. आलं का लक्षात? येते का लक्षात हे? हो का नाही?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the second point in now this. Now the IR drop for the second. आता समजा रेजिस्टर कनेक्ट केलेला आहे ए आणि बी मध्येच, ए आणि बी पॉइंट मध्येच कनेक्ट केलेला आहे. रेजिस्टर इज कनेक्टेड बिटवीन ए अँड बी पॉइंट, बट नाउ द करंट वेअर इट इज गोइंग, नॉट फ्रॉम ए टू बी, द करंट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम बी टू ए. Current is going from B to A. As the current goes from B to A, and my tracing is in which direction? Opposite to the current direction. How is my tracing? Opposite to the current direction. Opposite to the current direction. If my tracing is opposite to the current direction, okay, suppose my tracing it is opposite to the current direction. A आणि B कडून ट्रेसिंग आहे आणि करंट कसा फ्लो होतोय? बी कडून ए कडे. आता पोलॅरिटी अक्रॉस द रेजिस्टर कशा असतील? ए कडे कुठली पोलॅरिटी, बी कडे कुठली पोलॅरिटी असेल? What will be the polarity? How the current is
Positive,
flowing?
एकडे negative.
हा?
एकडे positive.
कुणाकडे?
B.
बी. बी कडे पॉझिटिव्ह आणि ए कडे
Negative.
ए कडे निगेटिव्ह. बरोबर आहे, कारण की करंट कुठनं फ्लो होतोय? बी कडून ए कडे फ्लो होतोय. लक्षात घ्या, एरो बघा, बी कडून ए कडे होतोय. ट्रेसिंग बघायचं नाही. करंटची डायरेक्शन कुठनं आहे? करंट मी इथे दिलेला आहे, आय कॅपिटल. ओके, दिस इज द करंट. Current flows from B to A. As the current flows from B to A, the current always flows from high potential to low potential. So positive will be towards B and negative will be towards A. तर आपलं आता ट्रेसिंग बघा, आणि ट्रेसिंग बघताना ए कडून बी कडे जायचं. जेव्हा तुम्ही ए कडून बी कडे जाता आहात तेव्हा पोलॅरिटी कशी चेंज होते आहे? निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह. Negative, that is low potential, to positive, that is high potential. There is a rise in potential. The last sign is what? Positive. As the last sign is positive, when you are tracing from A to B, see the polarity, it changes from negative to positive. The last sign is what? Positive. There is a rise in the potential, and therefore that drop you are going to consider, that IR drop you are going to consider what? That is positive. That IR drop you are going to consider what? That is positive. लक्षात आलेलं आहे का?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the boys, girls, clear with this?
Yes.
Okay, you can draw this figure neatly. Show the direction of current. कुठलं तुम्हाला, जर तुम्हाला लक्षात येत नाही करंटची डायरेक्शन काय आहे, तुम्ही मला विचारा, कारण नीट ड्रॉ करा. ओके, पोलॅरिटी सकट. Write down the Kirchhoff voltage law. It is also called loop law or mesh law. And write down the first statement. First statement, no, first point statement. First point statement. I will give you time to draw the figure, but we will complete the first part first. Statement. In any closed circuit, comma, the algebraic sum of SUM, the algebraic sum of all the electromotive force, plus 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 the algebraic sum of voltage drop across each resistor it is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. Now write down the formula. Second, formula or expression. Formula किंवा expression म्हणतात. Summation of EMF plus summation of IR, it is equal to 0. And highlight by rectangular box. After formula, you can write down the third point, sign conventions. Sign conventions. Sign convention मध्ये A part मध्ये लिहा. For EMF bracket मध्ये capital E slash capital V bracket close. A पार्ट मध्ये त्यामध्ये दोन टाइप आहेत. फर्स्ट वन मध्ये ही फिगर काढा, फिगर 1, आणि फिगर 2 मध्ये ही फिगर काढा. आफ्टर ड्रॉइंग दिस टू फिगर्स अँड शो दिस -E and +E, ट्रेसिंग पण दाखवा. ट्रेसिंग डायरेक्शन A to B दोन्हीकडे सेम आहेत. फक्त इथं -E आहे, इथं +E आहे. A मध्ये दोन फिगर आहेत 1 and 2. B मध्ये B चं हेडिंग काय आहे? फॉर IR ड्रॉप. फॉर IR कॅपिटल IR ड्रॉप. IR ड्रॉप. आणि त्यामध्ये दोन फिगर्स आहेत 1 and 2. 1 फिगर मध्ये ही फिगर आहे आणि सेकंड फिगर मध्ये ही आहे. सगळे पॉइंट्स लिहा. A B कुठं आहे, करंटची डायरेक्शन कशी आहे, पोलॅरिटी लिहा, पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह. कॅपिटल R कुठं आहे बघा. ट्रेसिंग कसं आहे A to B कडे. चारी मध्ये ट्रेसिंग A to B कडेच आहे. इथं करंट A कडून B कडे जातोय, इथं करंट B कडून A कडे येतोय. त्यामुळे पोलॅरिटी चेंज होते. इथं -IR आहे, इथं +IR आहे. हे चारी फिगर नीट ड्रॉ करा. By the time I will take the present tea, because after drawing the figure, I want to discuss the theory part for this figure. So I will take 10 minutes for that write up. Before that, we will take present tea. Roll number 1. Roll number 1.
Present, ma'am.
Roll number 2.
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Roll number 4.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Roll number
Present.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present.
11. Roll number 11. Present आहे का roll number 11? B11. Sakshi.
Present, ma'am.
Roll number 12.
Present, ma'am. Roll number 11. Present.
Roll number 12. Aishwarya.
Present, ma'am.
13.
Present.
14.
Present, ma'am.
15 आहे, 16 आहे, 17. 17. Absent. Roll number 18. Roll number 18. होता क्या? कृष्णा. Roll number 18, Krishna Bhosle. Roll number 19. Roll number 19. Go
Madam, it is present.
20. 20. 20 is absent. Roll number 21. 21. Absent. 22.
Present, ma'am.
23.
Yes, ma'am.
24.
Present, ma'am.
25.
Present.
26.
Present.
27.
Present, ma'am.
28.
Present.
29. 29. 30.
Present, ma'am.
31. 31 आहे का? 31. ऋषी शिंदे. 32. 32 absent. 33.
Present, ma'am.
I'm 32 present.
30.
32.
Okay. 31 झालं 32 झालं. 33.
Present, ma'am.
34.
Present, ma'am.
35.
Present, ma'am.
36.
Present, ma'am.
37. 37. Absent. 38.
Present, ma'am.
39.
Yes, ma'am.
40.
Present.
41.
Present, ma'am.
45, 43 आहे, 44 आहे, 45 आहे, 46 आहे, 47 आहे, 48 आहे, 49, 50. 50.
Yes, madam.
51. 51. प्रथमेश. प्रथमेश आहेत का? 52.
Present, madam.
51
present.
Okay. 53. 53. Absent. 54. 54. 54. Aryash. 55. 55. Sandesh. 56. 56. 56. 57.
Present, ma'am.
58.
Present, ma'am.
59. 59. Absent. 60.
Yes, ma'am.
61. 61. 62.
Present, ma'am.
63. 63. 63 absent. 64. 64. 64 absent. 65. 65 absent. 66.
मॅडम त्याचा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम आहे.
Huh?
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम आहे त्याला.
Okay.
66.
Present नाही आहे की खरं तू.
लेफ्ट चाललं मॅडम ते.
Okay, okay. See roll number absent. Roll number 17. 17. Roll number 20, 21, 29, 37, 53, 56, 59, 63, 64, 65. These are the absent students for BEEE lecture at 2:30. Okay. Now, whether you are drawn the figure, all the 4 figures completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can write down the write-up for that. So in the sign conventions, you can write down a rise in the potential should be considered as positive. Rise, R-I-S-E. Rise in potential should be considered as positive. And fall in potential should be considered as negative. Should be considered
Repeat
as
करा ना.
negative. Huh?
Repeat सांगा.
Okay, rise, R-I-S-E. Rise in potential should be considered as positive. Rise in potential, जिथे तिथे rise in potential असेल ते positive consider करायचं. And fall in potential should be considered as negative. आता तिथं ए पार्ट लिहा. फॉर EMF, फॉर EMF ए पार्ट मध्ये फॉर EMF as shown in figure A, as shown in figure 1, as shown in figure 1, if we go from positive terminal of the battery, if we go from positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal, to the negative terminal, in bracket capital A to B, capital A to B, bracket close, capital A to B, bracket close, there is a fall in potential, there is fall in potential. So that EMF is taken as negative. So that EMF is taken as negative. In bracket minus capital E, bracket close. In bracket minus sign capital E, bracket close. Next line. As shown in figure 2, as shown in figure 2, if we go from negative terminal to positive terminal of the battery, if we go from negative terminal to positive terminal of the battery, comma, there is rise in potential, there is rise in potential, rise in potential, full stop. So that EMF, so that EMF is taken as, that EMF is taken as positive, is taken as positive, in bracket plus E, plus capital E, bracket close. Now go for B part. B part for IR drop, for IR drop or voltage drop, or voltage drop. In that you can write next line. As shown in figure 1, as shown in figure 1, if we go through the resistor, if we go through the resistor, if we go through the resistor in the same direction as that of current, in the same direction as that of current, comma, there is a fall in the potential, there is a fall in the potential, there is a fall in the potential. So that voltage drop, so that voltage drop or IR drop, or IR drop is taken as negative. That voltage drop or IR drop is taken as negative. In bracket minus IR, minus IR, bracket close. Next line. As shown in figure 2, as shown in figure 2, if we go through the resistor, if we go through the resistor against the current direction, against the current direction, and opposite to the current direction, against the current direction, comma, there is rise in potential, there is rise in potential, there is rise in potential, and that drop, that IR drop or voltage drop is taken as positive, is taken as positive in bracket plus IR, bracket close, okay. Now this was the points, that is A point we have seen, the first point statement, B second formula, third sign convention, and in the sign conventions we have taken the 4 sign conventions and description I have given. And now after the fourth point, as we have seen in the Kirchhoff current law, after statement, formula and sign convention, the fourth point was the example. So we will take small example so that you can understand. So example, fourth point is nothing but example. Suppose I take the two resistor. And the one battery, positive, negative. Okay. So that battery, it is nothing but denoted by E volt. It is denoted by E volt. कितीतरी voltage आहे, मी capital E घेतलं नाहीये. आणि एक रेजिस्टर आहे R1, दूसरा आहे रेजिस्टर R2. हे काय झालेलं आहे, द क्लोज लूप स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पॉझिटिव्ह टर्मिनल आणि टेंड टू द नेगेटिव्ह टर्मिनल. आता या लूपला, या क्लोज सर्किटला नाव द्यायचं आहे. घ्या, प्रत्येक कॉर्नर जे आहेत त्याला आपण नाव देणार आहे. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट कॉर्नर, सो हियर इज A, दिस इज द सेकंड कॉर्नर, दिस इज B, दिस इज द थर्ड कॉर्नर C, and this is the fourth corner, that is D. Okay, so we are going to apply the KVL. You are going to apply KVL formula to the loop. Which loop? What is the loop name? Loop चं नाव काय आहे? Loop चं नाव काय आहे? A, B, C, D आणि A. Okay, so the loop name is A, B, C आणि D. इथपर्यंतच लिहायचं नाही आपल्याला, D पर्यंत. लूप बघा तुम्ही, A कडून B कडे जातोय, B कडून C कडे आणि C कडून D कडे. D पर्यंतच थांबतोय का आपण? नाही, बॅटरी घेतला नाही आपण, म्हणून D कडून A कडे. So the loop starts from A and end where? A. Loop starts at A and end A. Then it will be a closed circuit. If you start from A to B, B to C and C to D, it will be not a closed circuit. D to A, when you are writing, that time it will be a closed loop or it will be a closed circuit. It will be a closed circuit. So now you are going to apply KVL to the loop A, B, C, D, A. What is the formula for KVL? Summation of EMF plus summation of IR, it is equal to 0. Summation of EMF plus summation of IR, it is equal to 0. So now, where is your summation of EMF and where is your summation of IR? For that, this is the battery. Through this battery, what is going to go? The current will start flowing. So from positive terminal, the current will go to where? Negative terminal. So the current I flows here. It will go to the resistor R1. It will go to the resistor R2. And it will go to C point, D point, and it will come to negative terminal. Okay. So as the current flows from through the resistor, current is flowing through the resistor R1. As the current flows from current through the resistor R1, where you are going to get the potential? Current flows from what? B to C. Current flows from B to C. Potential कुठे असणार आहे? High potential आणि low potential across the resistor R1. Across the resistor R1 potential कुठे असणार आहे? कारण की आपल्याला IR ड्रॉप पाहिजे आहे. Current into resistor R1, current into resistor R2. For when the current flows through R1, the resistor is not having the polarity. तर जेव्हा current resistor मधनं flow होतो तेव्हा resistor काय होतो? Attain होतो polarity. So how will be the polarity across the resistor R1 and R2?
B ला पॉझिटिव्ह, C ला निगेटिव्ह. B ला पॉझिटिव्ह आणि C ला निगेटिव्ह.
Okay. So B is positive. So here you are going to write the positive terminal. And here it will be the negative terminal. आणि जेव्हा या करंट, हा सेम करंट या रेजिस्टर R2 मध्ये जातो तेव्हा हा पॉइंट रेजिस्टरच्या अलीकडचा पॉइंट काय होतो? पॉझिटिव्ह. आणि हा पॉइंट काय होतो? निगेटिव्ह. कारण की करंट असा जातोय. करंट कसा जातोय? करंटची डायरेक्शन बघा. इन दिस वे द करंट इज गोइंग. Okay, so when the current goes to the R1, positive will be here, negative will be here. When the current goes through R2 च्या पहिल्या एंडला पॉझिटिव्ह असणार आहे, नेगेटिव्ह एंड दुसऱ्या एंडला असणार आहे. Okay, and then the current goes to the battery. Now you are going to apply the EMF, summation of EMF plus summation of IR. I am going to trace the loop from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. So you start going now. A to B काय EMF आहे का? बॅटरी आहे का कनेक्ट A to B ला? A to B ला बॅटरी कनेक्ट आहे का?
नाही.
नाही. रेजिस्टर आहे, आयआर ड्रॉप आहे का?
नाही.
नाही. आता B to C कडे जावा. B to C कडे जेव्हा तुम्ही जाता आहात तेव्हा बॅटरी कनेक्ट आहे का?
नाही.
नाही. कारण काय रेजिस्टर्स आहेत म्हणजे आयआर ड्रॉप असणार आहेत. सो फर्स्ट आयआर ड्रॉप कुठे होणार आहे? फर्स्ट व्होल्टेज ड्रॉप कुठे होणार आहे? अक्रॉस रेजिस्टर R1. सेकंड व्होल्टेज ड्रॉप कुठे होणार आहे? अक्रॉस रेजिस्टर R2. मग ते पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायचं का निगेटिव्ह घ्यायचं? आयआर ड्रॉप कुठला आहे? I into R1 आणि दुसरा ड्रॉप कुठला आहे? I into R2. मग I into R1 पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायचा का निगेटिव्ह घ्यायचा? कुठनं जातोय आपण? ट्रेसिंग कुठनं करतोय? बी कडून सी कडे. जेव्हा तुम्ही बी कडून सी कडे जाता आहात करंट कसा फ्लो होतोय? सेम डायरेक्शननी करंट फ्लो होतो. ट्रेसिंग आणि करंटची डायरेक्शन सेम असेल तेव्हा काय असणार आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह टू पोलॅरिटी बघा रेजिस्टरच्या अक्रॉस पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह. लास्ट साइन काय आहे? निगेटिव्ह आहे अक्रॉस रेजिस्टर R1. So last sign is what? Negative. So that IR drop you are going to take it as what? That is negative. So this IR1 will be negative. Next IR2. IR2 कसा असणार आहे? ट्रेसिंग तुमचं कसं आहे? बी कडून सी कडे आणि पोलॅरिटी अक्रॉस रेजिस्टर कशी चेंज होते? पॉझिटिव्ह टू निगेटिव्ह. लास्ट साइन काय आहे? निगेटिव्ह. So that IR drop will be also what?
निगेटिव्ह.
IR2. ओके. सी कडून डी कडे आला तिथे काय आहे का बॅटरी आणि रेजिस्टर?
नाही.
नाही. आता तुम्ही ट्रेसिंग करता आहात डी कडून. ट्रेसिंग आहे बरं काही डायरेक्शन. ट्रेसिंग कसं करता आहात? डी कडून ए कडे. जेव्हा डी कडून ए कडे तुम्ही जाता आहात तेव्हा पोलॅरिटी बॅटरीची कशी चेंज होती आहे? निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह. लास्ट साइन काय आहे?
पॉझिटिव्ह.
पॉझिटिव्ह. आणि त्यामुळे हे जे ई व्होल्ट आहे बॅटरीचं व्होल्टेज ते काय असणार आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह असणार आहे. इथे समेशनच्या ईएमएफच्या अंडर मी लिहिते आहे प्लस ई. आलं का? समेशन घेतलं तुम्ही एकच बॅटरीचं व्होल्टेज आहे त्यामुळे इथे एकच येणार आहे प्लस ई झालं. आयआर ड्रॉप किती आहेत या सर्किट मध्ये? 2 आयआर ड्रॉप आहे. हे आहे निगेटिव्ह, हा पण आहे निगेटिव्ह. हा झाला तुमचा समेशन ऑफ आयआर. इथे समेशन ऑफ ईएमएफ एकच आहे आणि ते काय येते? निगेटिव्ह टू पॉझिटिव्ह. लास्ट साइन पॉझिटिव्ह येते. इट इज इक्वल टू 0. इट इज इक्वल टू 0. सो व्हॉट विल बी द लास्ट? That is E. It is equal to IR1 plus IR2. आणि लिहिताना इक्वेशन कसं लिहायचं असते? नेहमी करंटच्या ज्या काय कोएफिशियंट्स असतील करंटच्या ते नेहमी तुम्ही लेफ्ट हँड साइडला घ्यायचं आणि जे काय बॅटरीचं व्होल्टेज आहे ते तुम्ही राईट हँड साइडला घ्यायचं. सो व्हॉट विल बी दॅट? IR1 plus IR2 it is equal to capital E. So this is the equation for Kirchhoff voltage law for this circuit diagram. लक्षात आलेलं आहे का?
Yes.
Kirchhoff voltage. In this way, we are going to solve the problem and we are going to find out the equation for Kirchhoff voltage law for the different type of circuits. And then we are going to solve that equations by using calculator. This is one example. I have not taken the values, but what is we have taken only the register R1, R2, and capital E. And for that, what is the equation we have derived? आलं का लक्षात? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So write down the example and then we will stop the lecture. Please write down neatly and final equation. And we will stop the lecture here only. Write down fast. इथं नेगेटिव्ह आणि पॉझिटिव्ह साइन दाखवा रेजिस्टरच्या अक्रॉस. पॉझिटिव्ह साइन, दिस इज नेगेटिव्ह साइन. हियर इज पॉझिटिव्ह, हियर इज नेगेटिव्ह. apply KVL to the loop A, B, C, D, A. Loopचं नाव लिहा. Summation of EMF plus summation of IR, it is equal to 0. Plus E minus IR1 minus IR2, it is equal to 0. And finally, IR1 plus IR2, it is equal to E. This is your equation for Kirchhoff voltage law for the following circuit, for the above circuit. Can I end the lecture?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for listening. And today is our BEE unit test number 1. So whether you are prepared with that, you have seen the MCQs.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, practice the MCQ. Still 2 hours are there. So practice the MCQ, whatever the MCQ for chapter first I have given, and there will be a test that I will provide the link. So sir will provide you the link, Google form link, and you can apply for that unit test. Okay. Thank you.